the General Manager at Uni College. At Uni College, we offer international certification in IT support specialist. We are proud to be associated with Microsoft, CompTIA and ICDL, all international certifying bodies. At Uni College, we've got fully equipped computer labs, so there's no need for you to purchase your own computer equipment, software licenses, data, course material, even your international exam vouchers, as we include all of that as part of your tuition fees. Let's find out more about this qualification.
We start with the A+. A+ allows you and gives you the ability to learn how to fix computers, but not just computers. You're learning also about mobile devices, you're learning about printers and everything else. Once we're done with A+, we typically move on to the CompTIA Network Plus, and both those qualifications includes your international exams as well. After that, we move into CompTIA Linux Plus. After that, a very critical component is the CompTIA Security Plus. We also look at some of the Microsoft qualifications, including networking fundamentals, security fundamentals, as well as Windows administration. And that gives you a really broad spectrum knowledge over a year here at Uni College studying IT support.
What am I excited about doing in the future is to help older people easily understand computers and make it hassle-free for them.
I chose IT because I see IT as the new normal and I love working with technology, and I would also love to assist and help other people in the future fix their laptops and their computers.
What I enjoyed studying here at Uni College is first of all the practical experience that you build up in class, as well as the awesome classes that's not too big.
I think that is what helped me a lot with my position now at Netcare was the practical experience I got at Uni College. The opportunity they gave me to work for them and to build experience, and the studies really assisted in what I'm doing now.
Uni College provides you with the computers. We've got full setup labs here with some of the latest technology, some of the latest software. We try and give you an integrated experience, and we provide everything that you need.
I couldn't decide between IT or a biochemistry side. So what I did was I filled the application in for both IT at Uni College and biochemistry at UJ. So I sent them in the same day, and Uni College came back to me first. I applied for Uni College, and I don't regret that decision till this day.
The nice thing about the IT support course is that it is extremely broad, just as broad as what IT support is in the world. And we try and provide you with that base knowledge to give you everything that you need to choose the direction you want to. So at the end of the year, you might decide, you know what, I like fixing the computers, I like working, building computers. You want to go for being a PC technician. You may be a person that enjoys helping people. So help desk support will be the direction you want to go. Maybe you like the talks and the videos and the movies about hacking and people breaking into computer systems, and you want to go into the security direction or cyber security and how to protect those environments. So those are just some of the directions you can go in, and you can really decide what works for you as an individual. Well, there's two sides to it. First off, Uni College provides you with a short course certification on every module that we complete, those being your A+, your Network Plus, your Linux Plus, your Security Plus, your different Microsoft qualifications, each one of those as an individual module that we complete. To help you to prepare for the international exams, you first have to complete an internal exam at Uni College. Then we take you and you can then write your international exams. So we help you to properly prepare for your international exams. You can write those, and for each and every module that you complete and successfully complete your international qualification on that module, you receive an international certificate for those as well. Those includes your CompTIAs, which is included in the course is the A Plus and the Network Plus. Optionally, you can also go and write your Linux Plus and your Security Plus. Then there's also 3 additional Microsoft certifications that you can get, your MTA certifications, which is also included in the course. So you walk away with a big volume of certifications that will help you stand out above the rest when you go for an interview.
I chose Uni College because they offer international exams. If you do an international exam, you get an internationally recognized certificate where you can get a job anywhere in the world.
I decided to study at Uni College because when I got to the open day, I saw how friendly the people were, the facilitators, and they made my decision. I want to study at Uni College.
It's very simple. It's cost effective to run a course here for you as a student. Then also the location, it's not too far from all your main areas of living, as well as the classrooms aren't too big, like 40 in a class, where you don't get that personal attention if you're struggling with something. Nobody is being judged here. In case you are struggling, your lecturer will assist you as soon as possible.
So what are you waiting for? Gone are the days when IT people were considered nerds. Today's IT specialists are nothing short of superheroes. Could you be the next Steve Jobs or Larry Page? It's time for you to find out. If you are interested in studying at Uni College next year, pop by our campus and chat to one of our career counselors who are always happy to give you a tour of our facilities and answer any questions you might have. If you're still not sure what avenue of study is right for you, we offer a free career test which you can come and do on campus and then chat to a career counselor afterwards. I hope to see you on the Uni College campus next year.